Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the top 5 online business models for 2024. Whether you're starting fresh or updating your strategy, these models are poised for significant impact. We'll cover each model, why it's trending, and how to get started. Let's dive in. Direct-to-consumer DTC brands sell products directly to customers, bypassing traditional retail channels. This approach allows better control over branding, customer experience, and profit margins. Use platforms like Shopify to set up your store and focus on a compelling brand story and excellent customer service. Subscription-based services offer recurring deliveries or access to premium content. This model ensures predictable revenue and builds customer loyalty. Start by choosing a niche and using platforms like Substack for managing subscriptions and billing. Freelance and gig economy. Leverage platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to offer specialized skills on a flexible basis. Build a strong portfolio, create profiles on freelance sites, and network to attract clients. Deliver high-quality work to secure repeat business. Online education and e-learning. Create and sell online courses, host webinars, or offer coaching services. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to launch your content. Focus on a subject you're knowledgeable about and use social media for marketing. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn commissions on sales made through your referral links. Choose a niche, create valuable content, and join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Building trust with your audience is key to maximizing earnings. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and keep exploring new ways to succeed online. See you next time.